Hey, it's Yvonne here, and guess what? It's my birthday. And to celebrate, I'm giving you a special chance to access 7 of my most powerful trainings designed to help B&B guest house, inn and boutique hotel owners, just like you, bring in more bookings, pay less in commissions and truly enjoy the business that you've created. These trainings have already helped my clients generate thousands in extra revenue with easy step-by-step guidance that actually works. And because it's my birthday, I'm offering the entire bundle at a price that you won't believe. Normally, these trainings are valued at $679, but for a limited time until Sunday, November 17th, you can get all 7 for just $39.99. This exclusive offer won't last, so take advantage now and get ready to elevate your business. Let's finish this year on a high. Click on the link below to get started now.